carpet cleaning, doing a job out in Vancouver, Washington. Blacklighted this carpet. Had some pet hearing problems. Power scrubbed it, the CRB, lots of hair, lots of stuff. And that was all pre-vacuumed. There's one of the rooms, another room. Corner guards protects the paint. So this house, these people are moving in and came from Chicago, and we blacklighted it. And I guess the previous owners had a Chihuahua, and there was not an area on this carpet where the Chihuahua did not hit. See that area right there? Somebody used like something like Resolve or something like that on there. A little bit of hair got pulled out. So this has got some dwell time to it. The chemical down there for the urine is doing its job. And it's steam extracting. Let's do this room. We'll come in here after this, groom the carpet out. This room is all done, or this closet. Pretty straightforward job. I think this is going to have a traffic pattern here. Right through here. But should clean up pretty good. Mountain View carpet cleaning. If it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning.